Hey guys, welcome back to Qiming, and today I will be unboxing the Qiming A Pyraminx. So it also came in that pack, and here is a new Pyraminx and another instruction booklet. Okay, so it seems like it has ball bearings in there, which is something that a lot of old Pyraminxes and SKUs have. Okay, so let me scramble this and I'll see how it goes. So inspection. "13 seconds. Again, I guess not a bad time. And I guess I'll leave a link in the description as well. I won't even say that anymore because, you know, you guys will know, like, what to do. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I've so far unboxed 3 puzzles from the pack. Got some more to go. See you next time. Bye.